So everybody, it's Sid from Hunter and Chavy Investments. Today we're actually putting some fog lights. So these from Amazon. Install those. These two are here. So if you have any of these products that's on Amazon, it's my affiliate link. So click the link below. Help support the channel. So we installed these fog lights over here. So these fog lights from Amazon. As you can see, one there, it had a basically a blank fog light, and then I replaced those from Amazon. And it's basically plug and play without these. Bunch of wires are wrapped up in there, so you just pull the wire down and just connect them, and they snap right in. So easy peasy on that one. All right, and you like these plates right here? This is also got this from Amazon. You can customize your plates. You know, it gives it a professional look if you're ever doing videos, or at least you want to have this hanging in your office or something, so you can get that from Amazon too. And if you haven't already, this is Sid from Hunter and Chavy Investments. This is a finance channel, so it helps you save money, either the real estate, helping people with property that are most not optimal, most perfect for selling on the market, but using Propstream you can help solve their problem and offer them a cash offer deal using Propstream. So use my affiliate link below. You get 7-day free trial with them, and they're in. Next thing you need to do is install a fuse box, a relay for the, because this is a 2007 Tundra. It didn't come with the fog light package deal, so what you need to do is install the fog lights below, which is good thing about Toyota, plug and play. So the wire is already there, you just got to plug it in, and of course buy the light with the housing. You can get that from Amazon and use my link below. I'll leave the link below for that. But also you need a relay switch for your fog lamp, and that's located here underneath your fuse box. Let's see here, get this off. This is my plow, if you're wondering what this is. This attaches to my module for my plow. I do have a plow in this truck. It's a Fisherman plow, minute plow, and unfortunately I don't think Amazon has a affiliate link with them. If it did, I'll take a look at it. But it's a nice plow, especially living in New England. Let's see if I can get this off. I'll show you guys where the fuse relay is. There it is. So if you look here closely, right here, it says fog relay, and that was missing. So that was missing, and I popped a new one. You can tell this one's kind of newer than most. So here's the new one I bought. So you can get that from Amazon too. It's just, don't quote me on it, 12 volt, 30 amperage. So this slides right in. It only goes one way, so you can't go wrong. So just pop that in there. And then let's take apart the undercarriage, not the undercarriage, the instrument panel inside the truck. So what we're going to do is there's two bolts. There's 10mm here and 10mm over there. Unscrew those, and this whole panel just slides right down, snaps right off. Okay, and we're going to do that right now. So 10mm go in here. So this pops right out. Now the kit I mentioned, it's from Amazon. I think it's by Spider. I'll leave the link below. Kit comes with the wiring harness and the fog lamps with the housing. So most times you gotta be careful when you purchase the fog lamp that it comes with the housing, not just the lamp. So basically you need the housing plus the lamp, basically a complete kit. So the one I'm gonna leave the link below is I think it's $69. So it's not expensive at all, and given what comes with the kit, it's actually a good deal. Comes with relay switches, fuses, all that, but most of these trucks are pre-wired and it's just plug and play. I also installed a a backup camera. This truck didn't have a backup camera. This is a plug and play. I'll probably leave the link below for that too, for the camera, the backup camera. That's the same thing, and I'll show you inside. So there's one hidden behind this panel, but then the second one's right there. You can actually see it. Again, another 10 millimeter. Now the panel just slides right off, it just snaps off actually. There you go. Pull it down. You have to be gentle. The whole thing comes off. There you go. Pops right off. Now yours, as soon as you pop it off, there's wiring back here that's attached to a dummy switch. This is probably a switch I'm going to use for my fog lamps. So those are going to be my fog lamp switches. Right here, this one's attached to a dummy back here. See, it's plugged in, but there's nothing there. Same goes over here. Let me see if I can focus in on it. Right there. Sorry, you can see right about there. There's a wire there. Okay. Okay, here's the spider kit I talked about. It's from Amazon. Like I said, I'll leave the link below for this kit. I think it's a great kit. For under 70 bucks. You get this kit. It comes with the housing, the lights, and all the wiring. The wiring is if you were to wire everything yourself. So it has two plugs for the light housing, and it has a switch where I'm just going to remove the switch and use it and plug it into my OEM stuff. It has a relay switch we don't need because it's already in the fuse box, which I inserted into the fuse box I mentioned earlier. And then there's power wires and stuff. So it's pretty long, and all you gotta do is probably just run the wire directly connected to the battery or some sort of marker on your truck. Run off the power from your marker switches. That way you switch your truck light on for either safety driving or marker switches. That'll stay on as a power switch. You don't have to directly connect to your battery. But I'm just going to take the switch from here and plug it into there. That's what I'm going to do. LED screen. I popped off it just had a regular cover just like this. I popped that off, and then as soon as I popped it off, there's actually a wire sitting right there. It's like Toyota made it like perfect for you to customize these trucks. I think that's the whole point of these trucks, to be able to customize it. So the backup camera, I just took out the panel. I ordered this from Amazon. I'll leave the link below. Pop that off, and there's a wire already there, so I just see plug and play into this, and I pop this back in. So that's your backup camera. All right. And of course, you got to install the back camera in the gate, and I'll show you that too if you need to. There's the gate right there. That's a pretty cool camera. I think I also got that from Amazon. I'll link the link below. And same thing, the wire was already it was underneath the gate here. So all you gotta do is find the wire that's underneath here. Once you install this part, the wire goes directly to the pre-wired stuff down there. Like I said, Sarah did a nice job where the wire is already there. You need to run any wires, you just plug and play. Good stuff. Alright, let's plug this bad boy in for the relay switch, the rocker panel switch for the fog lights we just bought. pop this dummy one out. So this is for RCA off. I don't know what that means. Maybe somebody can comment below to tell me what that means. So once you do that, you plug the harness back in, top one there, you can see. Let me zoom in again, down right there. So that one. And then we're going to plug the second harness back in there. See if I can steady this camera. Let you guys see how I do it. Right there. So once you put all that wiring, I told you, take the green wire to the blue wire back there to the upper harness, and then the blue wire to the baby blue wire or powder blue back there, and then the black wire is the negative ground. So, and you switch this on to parking lights here. So this is off means it's so counterintuitive. When this is off, that means the headlights are on. There you go. When the light is lit, the switch is lit green in my circumstance. It just happens to be green. That means the fog light is off. See, it's green. All right, let's go see the front. So it appears my switch doesn't really matter if I flick it on and off, because the fog light is constantly on once I switch to a fog light. I mean a parking position. No, it's off. Never mind, scratch that. Now, since it's off because the light is on, let's cut the light off to turn on. That should turn on the fog light now. There you go. All right, I have solved the issue. If you like this video, please comment, subscribe. The least you guys could do. You know, it took me a while to figure out the wiring on this, and I'm not a automotive person, but just with trial and error and not being afraid to mess around with these wires, and then looking at some YouTube videos, it gives me an idea where to put these wires. All right, till next time, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, use the affiliate link below. I'll see you next time.